A lot of people want to come to West Texas and go to work. So I'm going to give you a flyover with my drone of what it looks like in Orla, Texas. So it's a lot of work going on around here in the gas and oil field. But here's a camp that I stay at. And it's probably a couple of camps around here. But I'm going to just give you a fly around on what you're getting in when you come to go to work here in Orla, Texas. Or maybe you just want to come here for a vacation. So if you got an RV, it's best thing to do is have an RV because you're not going to find no hotel around here. You might find a few man camps, and they're going to charge you about $2,100 a month for a little small little area. And I'm looking around and see if I see any trees. It's really dusty out here, so this is what you see right here in Orla, Texas. So get ready. If you some of you young people getting out of school, you want to get in the gas and oil field, get ready to spend a little money and get you an RV, or you're going to be staying in a man camp, or maybe you could stay in Pecos, Texas. They got a few little hotels and things there in Pecos, Texas. But if you keep going north off 285, Highway 285 going north, okay, you can pass Orla up and you can keep going past Lovings and you can go into New Mexico, Carlsbad. They got a little bit more things to do there. And you can go to the caves there and see it's pretty neat. So this is where I stay at right now in Orla, Texas. So if you want to get into this, hey, this is what you're going to get. It's dry, it's dusty, and make sure you got you a good RV. Because once you get out here, and I've done a few videos and just showing you guys my RV. I got the Flagstaff. It's a 2024. It's a DBS 832 DBS, and it's very nice. It's got 4 slide outs. It got everything I need in it. So once I get to my campground, I don't come back out. I just stay inside. Because if I come outside, what am I going to do out here? Barbecue or just get dusty? So you see a few people. You don't see that many people out. And you see one guy walking around. You may see a couple of people there, but mostly everybody just stay in their camp and watch TV or in their trailer and watch TV. Uh, Unless you got you a little workout gym, and I see a few people set out some workout equipment outside, but that's about all you can do here. There's no McDonald's, no Burger King. You can stop at the corner store and they're going to charge you an arm and a leg. So this is what it looks like in Orla, Texas. So thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.